Let me tell about preference of writing materials. If someone prefers rule sheet, rules means what? Rule or guidelines. If they prefer only that means they prefer taking guidelines or they need to be told how to do, what to do, when to do, etc. Or they don't mind taking guidelines. They don't mind working under someone. But if someone prefers only plain sheet, that means they can't take any guidelines of anybody or anything. So they're on their own. They tell, I know, you don't tell me. You don't tell me how to do, what to do. They form their own company. They can't work under someone. So here I am talking about the preference. When you get one material, if you think instead of this, that should have been there. Instead of plain, rule should have been there. That's the preference. Nothing is right or wrong here. The only thing is if you become flexible, anything is okay. It is better in handwriting wise. It is better because it affects your personality. It removes the rigidity. So only person who survives in this world is the flexible person. If you see the example of tortoise or crocodile, they are from dinosaur era. Why they are still surviving? All the dinosaurs are extinct, but these are surviving because of the flexibility, adaptability. They adapted themselves. They become amphibian. Amphibian means water and earth they can survive. Basically, they are not water animals, but they became that. And they can survive without food for so many days. They can hibernate, they can stay for 15 days or more than that without food. And the slow movements, everything, adaptability, flexibility they brought in. That is why they survived. So for us also, if we have to survive in this world, we have to become very, very flexible, adaptable. And whatever I am talking about now, this is your preferences, means this is you with outside world. Your handwriting is you yourself. Their consistency is must, because you are not supposed to keep changing for the sake of others. But the preferences here, this is with outside world. For example, you go somewhere, there is no pillow available. You can't be rigid that you need pillow. You have to do something on your own to take that comfort of pillow. So this is what is meant here. So I am continuing with that. Now the selection, preference of writing, the way, how you keep the book or paper. One is portrait, another is landscape. Portrait is this way, your usual, normally people write this way. Landscape is this way, the horizontal way. So most of the people use portrait. So if you also prefer that, that means you don't have any issue in following what others are doing, what others are following. If you prefer landscape, it is out of the box thinking, creativity, because normally people don't use that. So you think, why that way? Why not this way? So in anything in life, you think, why that way? Why not this way? So out of the box thinking. For example, why button should be this way? Why not this way? Like that, the different ability comes there. So sometimes, occasionally, if you start writing in landscape way, you get that ability of out of the box thinking and creativity. I don't say always you prefer that. Anything here, keep changing, flexibility, make it flexible. Now, selection of writing instruments, pencil, ink pen, ball pen, gel pen, roller ball pen and felt tip pen. Selection of pencil, some people prefer only writing in pencil. I'm not talking about those people, architects or where the profession requires pencil using. I'm talking about those people who actually prefer only writing in pencil. They are perfectionist. It is one of the fears, because they can erase and give the perfect one. So that choice they have. So they are perfectionists. They can't accept their own mistakes. They are hard on themselves. They underestimate themselves. So example I'll give. See, you may not know badminton playing. If you are a pencil preferring person, if someone asks, come let us play badminton, you will not take it up. You will practice on your own alone for some time, all that surveying, everything, then you go. Because there you can't surrender that I don't know the badminton or anything. So surrendering is difficult for you. So it's okay. First time in life, we don't come with all the knowledge. We have to learn. In any age, mistakes are okay. Beginners will make mistakes. That acceptance will not be there. That is why it is one of the fears. It is perfectionism. And next one is the ink pen. The ink pen preferring people. See, the ink pen, if you tilt little, it will not write. So they also very rigid. They don't change. Means if you tell them for this area, this is enough, this is not required, this much of preparation not required. No, they prefer all that, following all every, intensely following. Even in the summer, they'll wear blazer and go. For that occasion, it is blazer. For this, it is this way. So rigidity, it brings rigidity. And ballpoint pen preferring people, they are hard workers. When they write, initially it will not write. While writing also little hard to write. If they don't mind that, they are hard workers and practical people. And roller ball and gel pen preferring people, see those pens, they write smoothly, easily. So they also want everything easy in their life. Very smooth, easy. But they are the most flexible people. From press button to touch screen, easily they move. The more you are in the beginning, the pencil, ink pen, that is more rigidity. You don't change. I prefer, instead of mixer grinder, you think that, I prefer the grinding stone only. It is better that way. So change is difficult for you. The more you come to the latest invention, that means you are more flexible. But it is more easy way of life, preferring that. And whoever uses felt tip pen, it writes in a thicker formation. Who prefers thick, ink impression in the writing? It is one type of defense. It is it's like a compound wall put with the defense. So there is something to hide. So something, it may be criminal tendency, or it may be some trauma, something which they want to hide from the society. For example, if someone's father is drunkard, or the mother has some illness, they don't want outside world to know about it. Such people prefer the thick felt tip kind of pen. Thank you.